Hi, at the start of this section, I mentioned that the set data type is unchangeable once it is created. However, in this video, we are going to learn how to add items to the set. And so I'm going to explain to you what it means to not be able to change the items in a set, but be able to add to it, okay? So if we take a look at this fruit value here, you can see that the fruit variable is storing a list. Okay, it has banana, it has orange, it has mango, it has guava, and I skipped this banana because it has not allowed duplicate, so it's not going to consider that. Okay, now we are not going to be able to change banana into something else. We are not going to change orange into something else. However, we are not stopped from adding items which are distinct to the already existing items in the set. So there is a method on the set data type called add, which we can use to add newer items as long as they are distinct. And I'm stressing on the distinct here because if you add an item that already exists in the set, it is not going to have any effect because remember, sets do not allow duplication. So as much as we are not going to be able to modify the items in the set, we are allowed to add new items which are distinct to the set. And to do that, I want us to use a simple example of let's say we are going to store countries that have qualified for a particular tournament, and of course my country Ghana has qualified, let's say USA has qualified, and let's say Germany has qualified. Okay, and then now we want to add other countries that have qualified. Remember that over here the set is the best data type to use because it does not allow duplicate, which means if I add Ghana twice, it is not going to increase the length of it, and it is not actually going to affect the presence of Ghana. It's not going to boost it in any way. It is still going to be only one instance of Ghana found in there, as opposed to when you use a list. Okay, so whenever you want a collection data type that stores only distinct items and ignores duplicates, then you know you want to go for the set data type. Okay, so if I print countries here, you can see that indeed we will have only 3 countries in there: USA, Ghana, and Germany. And again, notice that the order in which we are getting them is different from the order in which we added them because sets are unordered. Okay, so now let's add other countries. Okay, so I can say countries dot add, and I can add, let's say, India. I can do countries dot add, I can add China, and I can do countries dot add, and I can add Togo. Okay, so at this point, if I come and I print countries, you will see that newer items have been added. So I'm going to come run this, and you see that indeed now we have Togo, USA, Ghana, India, China, Germany. Now I'm going to add Ghana multiple times, and you will confirm that it doesn't affect it in any way. So Ghana, I'll come here, add Ghana, and then we are going to run this program, and you can see that indeed Ghana is not repeated because the set data type doesn't permit the addition of duplicate items. So remember, as much as we are not allowed to change the items in the set itself in place, we are permitted to add newer items which are distinct. And if you add an item that already exists in the set, it is not going to have any impact on the representation of the set in memory. So let's take a quick pause here, and I'll see you in the next video where we learn about how to remove items.